Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to send a pin to a person on Pinterest. So let's start. First, open the Pinterest tab. When the app opens, at the bottom of the screen you will see a menu bar and you'll see a text icon on that menu bar. Now tap on that text icon and then tap on message at the top of the screen. Then open a conversation. On the bottom left corner, you will see a pin icon. Tap on that. Now, if you want to share one of your pins, then tap on yours. Since I don't have any pin on my account, I'll tap on related. And then I'll search for a pin. Now, to share a pin, all you have to do is select the pin and then tap on the pin. And that pin will be shared with this person. And that's how you can share a pin with a person on Pinterest. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.